Proper battery maintenance begins with high-quality water. With the Flow-Rite Deionizer, this can now be obtained right from a standard plumbing spigot. The Flow-Rite Deionizer maximizes battery life by removing dissolved solids, which can damage a battery's life and performance. The deionizer uses an ion exchange cartridge filled with non-toxic synthetic resins to remove impurities from your water before entering the battery. These economical cartridges are easily removed and may be discarded when replacement is necessary. With the included Quick Check monitor, the status of the deionizer can be checked with the press of a button. A green light indicates the cartridge is okay, while a red light lets you know the cartridge needs to be replaced. The Flow-Rite Deionizer includes a regulated hose supply, 2 inline strainers, and a mounting bracket with a built-in hose hanger. Maximize the life of your batteries with high-quality water and the Flow-Rite Deionizer. For more information, visit flowrite.com, or to discuss your specific needs, contact us at 616-583-1700. Flow-Rite, the best in battery care.